As you can see, Bell Creek Falls golf course is gorgeous. Really attractive course. It's kicking my ass today, so probably won't see a lot of golf highlights in this video. Still, it's a nice course. I suggest you come see it. Now online it said that this was closed, so I'm curious if the campground's closed. I may end up staying here all night. Some Tennessee deer. Little bitty one. Get the baby out. Yes, it's not itty bitty anymore, but it's not big. Alright, so we said it was Fall Creek Falls Golf Course. Now let's go see if I can find the waterfall. Cool. Good. I think maybe left? Oh well, we'll figure it out. I'll either find it or I won't. So I was reading online, listed that this trail was closed. Probably for things like this. Looks like they've come through and cleaned it up. At least I think it's open. I didn't see a sign. It doesn't get any better. So I think this is Cane Creek Falls. God, that's a long waterfall. So that looks like an awesome waterfall, but you're not even catching it. Check this one out. Yeah. No, thing is, to get to these waterfalls, you gotta go up, back up this to get out. Well, I guess I could stay here a while. That's pretty nice. All right, let's go find the other overlook. I think we got a better angle on that one. So if you remember the other video of the waterfall, way up there, that's where I was filming from. And there's the tall, skinny waterfall. Not much of an angle from here. Oh, hey, there's the river gorge. Sun's probably starting to get low. Need to figure out where I'm gonna go camp tonight. Alright, so welcome to my Creek Falls campsite. Not too bad, just really too bad I don't have the rooftop tent on here. Just backed in and been done. As is, I did the bare minimum set up camp. Got my camp tent set up. Got a bed in there. I got my chair out. That's it. That's all I got ready for this one so far. I did bring one more thing that I didn't bring last time. Nicole, this is just for you. You should be able to charge anything you need now. I don't even think I'm gonna build a fire. That takes effort. I don't feel like it tonight. So, see you in the morning. Bye.